Using the lockers on arrival. Go to the central terminal in the middle of the locker wall. Select I want a locker and then the locker size. Enter a 4-digit code that is easy for you to remember. Follow the payment instructions. You can pay by card or with your mobile phone. You cannot select your own locker. A locker will open for you. Tip: each locker is equipped with a 220-volt socket and a USB connection. Using the lockers on departure. Go to the central terminal in the middle of the locker wall. Select I have a locker. Enter your locker number, PIN code, and press OK. Choose Open Locker if you do not leave yet. Choose Finish if you actually leave. Please close the locker door after you have removed your belongings. If you need assistance, please go to our reception desk.